All right, guys, welcome to another tour video. This is actually a customer's van and it's not for sale. I did build it originally, but then I sold it. The owner had it for about 5 years and then sold it to another owner, and that owner wanted to do some upgrades and a quick FreedomVessel spa treatment. So I'll go ahead and give you guys a tour of this 1972 vintage motorhome. Stay tuned to FreedomVessel YouTube and Instagram for more rad vans. All right, so when I got this van, it had no stripe on it. I went ahead and did a dark blue and a light blue. We've got the gas tank on the back and rear entry, rear backup camera. Put new trim around the belt of the RV, a little black trim you can see there. This is the roof. Got two 200-watt solar panels, soft panels. Here's another look at the stripe and the side of the camper. Went ahead and did like a pointy stripe to the front, kind of carried the stripe through the doors. It's good for speed, you know, it gets the van going. Redid the inner door panels, kind of matched the seats and the carpet in the inside with the stripe. Pulled it all together with the steering wheel cover. So you got 1972 Dodge Balboa motorhome. Got a vintage stereo in there, backup camera. It's got digital PSI reader for the tires on each and every tire. Keep an eye on that tire pressure. Interior dome light works, no problem amongst everything else. Got Victron solar controllers. You can plug the vehicle in. There's power inverter, power converter, outlet, stuff like that. One with a 12-volt bodega cooler refrigerator, butcher block countertops painted white, vinyl plank flooring, original upholstery. Coming in through the back door, we've got curtains that were made by the previous owner. On the left, there's the bathroom. New vinyl plank flooring. Cool little pink stove, kind of ties together with the upholstery. I put that in when I first built it. New faucet. Sink. Pulled the windows, resealed them. Got a vent fan. Just a vibe in here, man. This van's really cool. Here's the bathroom. Got a couple things in there, like the table and stuff. But yeah, bathroom, shower, wet bath. Hot water heater, propane, just a really killer camper van. Thanks for checking out another rad build. I think I've done like 50 or more of these things, different campers and stuff. So it's fun to rescue, rejuvenate, and restore these things. Thanks for following along. You can watch me build them on Instagram at FreedomVessel. You can inquire to buy one. You can hire me to build one for you. I could take your old one and even fix it up. So reach out, send a DM, comment, like, share, subscribe, all that jazz. Appreciate everything, guys. Stay stoked.